discuss the applications of all the formulas. Okay, like what is the formula of trigonometric ratios with regarding different acute angles. Okay, so I will solve some question regarding the NCERT. Okay, हम लोग आज NCERT के कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. आप इसमें समझना है आपको कि कौन कौन से जो एक्सरसाइज 8.1 है उसमें कैसा कैसा क्वेश्चन है, उसमें आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हम. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले जो है एक क्वेश्चन हम आपको बता रहे हैं. ठीक है, ए ट्रायंगल ए बी सी राइट एंगल एट बी. ओके, right angle at B, and after that AB equals to 24 centimeter. AB equals to 24 centimeter and BC equals to 7 centimeter. BC equals to 7 centimeter. Determine number 1, that is sin A into sin A cos A. Okay, we need to find here sin A cos A, and number 2 we need to find here what sin C cos C. Okay, sin C and cos C. So please try to find. Okay, so first of all, if you should draw the triangle. Okay, after that we can find whether perpendicular or base or hypotenuse. Okay, first of all, ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is the triangle. Okay, and right angle at what? B. Okay, so we can write here B. This is the C. This is the C. Here is the A. So first of all, please check AB equals to 24 centimeter. Okay, this is the 24 centimeter, and BC equal to what? 7 centimeter. Okay, so please apply the formula. Okay, so please apply the formula solution. So you can write here what AB equals to what? AB equals to 24 centimeter and BC equals to 7 centimeter. So AC square equals to what? AC square equals to AB square plus what? BC square. Okay, so we can write here the value of AB, that is the 24 square plus 7 square. So AB is 576 plus 49. So AC equals to what? Root under 625. Root under 625 means 25. Okay, so this is the 25 centimeter of length AC. So we need to find here sin A into cos A, and cos A. So please take the formula of sin A means angle opposite to A. So a side opposite to A means we can write here BC by AC, means BC by AC. So BC is equal to what? 7, and AC is what? AC is 25. So this is the value of sin A. Okay, this is the value of sin A. And next, that is the cos A. Okay, cos A, that means we can write here what? Cos A means BC by what? Cos A, no, BC AB. Okay, AB by what? We can write here AB by AC. Okay, so this is the AC, and the value of AB is what? 24. So 24 by what? 25. This is the value of sin A and cos A. After that, we need to find here sin C and cos C. Okay, so we need to find here sin C and cos C. So we can solve sin C and cos C. Number 2. So here is the sin C. Sin C means angle opposite to C, means we can write here AB by what? AC. So value of AB is what? 24, and AC is what? 25. Okay, this is the value. And after that, cos C you can judge what is the value of cos C. We can write here BC, adjacent side BC is here, and the AC. So BC is what? 7 by 25. So this is the answer. Okay, so you can apply the concept of trigonometry ratio with regarding the acute angles. Okay, so this is the answer. So next question. Next question, find tan P and chord R. Okay, question number next, that is the find, one of the figure is given where find tan P chord R. Okay, is tan P is tan P equals to chord R. Okay, you need to find, you need to check here whether tan P or chord R are equal. So one of the figure is given. Suppose here is the figure. This is the figure. So means here is 13 centimeter. Here is 12 centimeter. And the data is PQR. Okay, here is the P. Here is the Q. Here is the. Okay. So first of all, please find. What PQ is given. PQ equals to what? 12 centimeter. And PR equals to what? PR equals to 13 centimeter. So we can find the value of QR. So QR equals to what? We can write PR square plus PQ square. So PR square means 13 square plus PQ square, sorry, minus here, minus PQ means 12 square. So we can write here 169 minus 144. So after the simplifying, we will get here QR square equals to 25. So QR equals to what? Root under 25 means plus minus 5, but you will have to take positive. Okay, so this is the value. Next we need to find here tan P minus chord R. Okay, we need to find here tan P equals to chord R. Okay, so first of all, yes, here is the tan P. Tan P means, oh, you can see this is the QR by PQ. Okay, QR by PQ. So QR is what? QR is, you can say 5 by what? 12. This is the value. And after that you can see chord R. Chord R is what? Chord R is this. So we can write here what? Chord R means the adjacent side means QR by PQ. So QR is what? QR we can write here 5 by 12. 5 by 12. So we can write here what? Tan P equals to chord R. Yes, this is right, means this is the true. So this is the answer. Okay, so next we are going to solve next question, that is the next question. Question number next, that is the, if given at 15 chord A equals to number 3, 15 chord A equals to 8. Okay, 15 chord A equals to 8. Find sin A and sec A. Find sin A and sec A. Okay, so first of all, you must understand that we have the value of chord A, means with respect to angle, acute angle A. So we need to find here A, acute angle A and acute angle C. Okay, so you can we can apply the formula of P by H, B by H like that. ओके, ये आप लोग ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दोनों में क्या है, आपको एक्यूट एंगल का वैल्यू भी दिया और निकालना भी है. ओके, सो डोंट वरी, यू कैन अप्लाई. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन राइट हियर व्हाट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन राइट हियर 15 chord A equals to 8. So chord A equals to 8 by 15, and after that chord A equals to 8 by 15, and after that we can write here is the D, here is the P. So let ratio quantity be what? Bx. So we can write here B equals to what? 8x, and P equals to what? 15x. Okay, so we need to find here H. So H equals to what? h square equals to p square plus b square. So p is what 15x square and b is what 8x square. So we can write here 225x square plus 64x square. So 225 means 289x square. So h equals to what? Root under 289x square means 17x. Okay. So we need to find here sin a. So you can apply the formula of sin a, means sin a equals to what? P by h. The p is what? P, you can understand p is what? 15k and h is what? 17k. So k will be cancelled. So answer is 15 by 17. Next, that is the sec a. Sec a means h by p, and the h is what? 17k and p is what? 8. Sorry, here is the x 15x and here is the x. Here is the x. Okay, 17x and b is what? 8x. So here is the 17 by 8. Okay, so sec a, the value of sec a, h by b, h means that is the 17 by 8. That is the answer. Okay, so we are going to solve next question. We are going to solve next question. That is the question next. Question next, that is the 4. Okay, so this is the question number 4. From my side, understand that you can verify what is the question number in NCERT. If cot theta equals to, here is the question, if cot theta equals to 7 by 8. Okay, here is the value, and find you need to find here 1 plus sin theta, number 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, you need to find here, and after that 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is the question number 1, and question number 2 you need to find cot square theta. Okay, cot square theta. So first of all you go through the value. So we need to find in the angle theta. So don't worry, you can apply the basic formula. So cot theta equals to what? 7 by 8. So we can write here b by p. Okay, let ratio quantity b, we can take k. So b equals to what? 7k and p equals to what? 8k. So h equals to what? H square equals to what? We can write here p square plus b square, that is the 8k square plus 7k square. 8k square, that means 64k square, and 7k, that means 49k square. Okay, so after the adding we will get here for 9 4 13. Okay, so h equals to 9 4 13, 6 4 10, 11. So here is the value. So we can write here k root 113. Okay, so this is the value. Now we need to find here 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so we need to find here 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. So we can write here number 1. Okay, what? 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. You can understand the formula a plus b into a minus b, that is the a square minus b square. Okay, so this is the value. We can write here a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so the value of sin theta will be what? 1 minus p by h. So p by h, here is the p by h, p square h square by, sorry, we can write here p by h means what? Sin theta, p by h means 8k by, yes, 8k by 113k square. Okay, and after that here is the 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta means b by h. So b by h means 7k by k 113 square. Okay, so it will be the cancel, it will be the also cancel. So we can write here what 113, so 8 square 64 and root under 113. So we can write 113 minus 64 divided by, it will be the cancel. So and after that we can write here 113 minus 49. So you can subtract here 13 4 means 49 here, and here is the 64. So this is the value of number 1. And number 2 you can you can apply the formula number 2. So we can write here cot theta means what, b by p square. So b by p means the value of, the value of b by p means, so you can see 7k and 8k. So we can write here what 7 by 8. Okay, direct we can write 7 by 8. So 749 and 864. Okay, so this is the value of question number 2. Okay, so we will process next question. Okay, next question number, that is the questions is number 5. Okay, this is the 5 number question. So this is the question. If 3 chord equals to 4, if 3 chord equals to 4. Okay, check whether 1 minus 10 square a divided by 1 plus 10 square a equal to cos square a minus sin square a or not. Okay, so you need to verify it. आपको ये वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा ये जो है पॉसिबल है कि नहीं। तो सबसे पहले आप देखिए इस पूरे एंगल को आपको किस में निकालना है, पूरे एंगल को आपको ए के फॉर्म में निकालना है। तो आप यू कैन अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला, बेसिक फॉर्मूला p by h b by h लाइक दैट। ओके, सो आपको ये फॉर्मूला डायरेक्ट आप अप्लाई करें यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे अप्लाई करने के बाद जो है आप RHS और LHS का वैल्यू फाइंड करें। RHS LHS का वैल्यू फाइंड करने के बाद आप देखिए कि दोनों इक्वल है कि नहीं है। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व the value of tan A and what is when cos A. So here is the 3 chord A, that is the 4. Okay, so chord A equals to what, chord A equals to 4 by 3. So here is the what, b by p. Okay, so we can write here let ratio quantity b k. So we can write here b equals to what, 4k and p equals to what, 3k. So the value of h equals to what, h square equals to p square plus b square. So p square is what, for 3k square plus b square, that is the 4k square. So 3k means 9k square plus 16k square. So you will get here 625 means 5k. Okay, h equals to 5k. This is the value of h. Okay, so now we need to find here what all the values. First of all we need to find here what we need to find here tan A. So tan A means p by b. So the value of p is what, you can see the value of p 3k and b is 4k. So 3k by 4k, k will be cancelled, so 3 by 4. So this is the value of tan A. And the value of cos A, that is the b by h. So b is what, you see b equals to 4k and h is what, h means 5k. So this is the value 4 by 5. And after that cos A, it means sin A. Sin A is what, p by h. So p is what, p is 3k. So 3k by 5k. So here is the 3 by 5. Okay, so you need to verify the LHS is what? The LHS is 1 minus tan A square. The 1 minus tan A square by 1 plus tan A square. The value of LHS. Okay, so please write the value of tan A. So tan A means what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means we can write here 1 minus 3 square 9 and 16. And here is the 1 plus 9 by 16. So we can write here but 16 minus 9, that is the 17, and 16 plus 9, that is the 25. This is the value. In RHS is what? Cos square A minus sin square A. So the value of cos A is what? The value of cos A, that is the 4 by 5. 4 by 5 minus sin A is what? 3 by 5. So 4 का square 16 minus 9, that is the 7 by 25. Yes, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so next 2 or 3 questions I will discuss in later on. Okay, so that is a very important question. So you should try to solve all the examples of this exercise. Okay, thank you.